Hi students, so hope you are all well. I think whatever notes and videos I am giving to you, you are thoroughly going through it. And if you have any queries, please write in the feedback and let's start today's topic.
Hello students, today it is a continuation class of the improvement in the food resources. Okay, the first and foremost thing is that today's topic about that is the animal husbandry. So what is the meaning of the animal husbandry? It is the scientific management of the animal livestock. It generally includes the various aspects like feeding, breeding and the disease control. Okay, so animal based farming are generally performed in this animal husbandry. It generally includes the animal based farming like cattle, goat, sheep, poultry and the fish farming. Okay, so why this animal husbandry is an important topic? Because it enhances the meat, milk and egg production. Okay, so this is the most important thing. That's why the people are focusing on the animal husbandry concept. So let's come first topic, that is the cattle farming. The cattle farming is generally done for the two purposes, one for the milk and another for the draught lever, that are used for the agricultural work such as the irrigation, carting, this kind of thing. Okay, now generally suppose the milk producing females, okay, in the dairy animals are taken for the production of the milk, and the strong animals are generally taken for the case of the draught animals. Okay, the milk production depend on the duration of the lactation period. That means the period of the milk production after that cattle has given birth to a new child. So that procedure is known as the lactation procedure. So to improve the production of the milk, generally the cattle farming are also performed. In the case of this cattle farming, generally both the superior female and the superior male are taken for the breeding purposes so that the milk production can be increased. Okay, now let's come the poultry farming. Okay, so what is the meaning of the poultry farming? Poultry farming means it is the domestic fowl for the egg production, and the chicken meat is generally undertaken with the help of the poultry farming. Now in this case of the poultry farming, generally the breeds are also being selected and the crossbreed programs are performed. For example, like the Asal and the Leghorn breeds are generally taken so that the number of the quality of the chicks can be enhanced. Okay, another thing is that low maintenance requirement are there. Okay, the cheaper diets should be there, and the drop boiler parents generally enhance the chick production. So there are the different kind of advantages of this poultry farming. In both the cases, in the cattle and the poultry farming, the sanitizing procedure is very important, along with the maintenance requirement to support the healthy life of the cattle. The next point is that the veterinary doctor should generally visit the poultry or the cattle farm after the certain interval of the time, so that they can focus on the health, and the vaccination procedure should be given in a perfect manner so that the major viral infection and the bacterial diseases can be prevented. Okay, another most important thing is that there should be a regular feed of the animal feed should be there, like the roughage, okay, now the concentrates, this kind of thing, so that the cattle or the poultry can get the balanced diet or the proper nutritions in their food. When they are getting the proper nutritions, that means what will happen, it will enhance the milk production or it will enhance the egg and the meat production. So we are totally concentrating on the 3 points. One is the milk, egg and meat. Just remember this. Okay, from here, see, I have written a egg and the broiler production. Okay, here also it is a part of the poultry farming. Okay, in this egg and the broiler chicken generally feed with the vitamin rich supplements, okay, for their good growth rate and the better feed efficiency. The broilers are generally rich in the vitamin A and K, that is improve the daily food requirements of the human beings. Okay, another thing is that the broiler egg production or the broiler are much more highly accepted by the normal human beings. Why? Because they generally does not suffer with the diseases that are caused by the virus, bacteria and the fungi, but in the case of the poultry fowl they generally suffer in this kind of diseases. So it is recommended that there should be a proper cleaning and the sanitization procedure at a regular interval, so that this kind of diseases can be easily eliminated. So these are the 3 points we have learned today. First point is the animal husbandry. Under it there is a 3 points. One is the cattle, poultry and egg and the broiler production. Okay, thank you.